Is it possible to make money and create passive income online by just uploading pictures and videos? The answer is yes. In fact, more than $1 billion have been paid out to people all over the world who do what you are about to learn. This strategy is very simple. You don't even have to be a professional or invest money. If you want to find out how thousands of contributors are earning money with this amazing passive income strategy, stick to the end of the video and make sure to like and subscribe. The first thing you want to do is enter this website called Shutterstock, and register as a contributor. Link in the description. Then you will have to verify your account by clicking the link you received in your email. After that you will have to enter your address. Once you do it, click Next. Now we are all set to start uploading our content and earning money. But first let's take a quick walk through the Shutterstock contributor dashboard. The menu is very easy to understand. Here you will find all the tools you need to upload pictures and videos, manage your earnings, account and portfolio, and see all the data related to your clients. The next step after getting to know the platform is upload your first image or video. Click this red button which will take you to the upload page. It's important that the images you upload are at least 4 megapixels and that videos are from 5 to 60 seconds long, otherwise they won't be accepted. To know how many pixels an image has, just check on the details of the file and it will display the sizes. If you multiply these two numbers, and the result is higher than or equal to 4 million, that means the image meets the requirements. Now drag or select images from your PC and click Next. Select the image you uploaded and add a description and category. You can also add keywords, so your image gets shown to more people and increase your sales. Finally, check this box and click Submit. Great! Now your picture is uploaded and will be reviewed by an expert team in the next few days. Once your content is reviewed and approved, it will be available for all the 1.9 million Shutterstock customers to buy it. Congratulations! You have successfully created passive income. Now that you know this strategy, start repeating it over and over to have a big portfolio and increase the chances of getting your content recommended and increase your sales. If you liked this video, consider subscribing. More advice and PC tricks every day.